Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. This beautiful Trail Boss is powered by the 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated front seating, integrated trailer braking system, and dual USB ports with an outlet. Truck has all black interior, Bose audio, and our heated leather seating in the front of the Trail Boss. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires. We have color matched. We have the blacked out door handles on the Trail Boss as well. Beautiful satin steel paint. Z71 badging on the front fender. The Trail Boss comes with the 2-inch lift up front from the factory. We have the blacked out front bumper and grille, red tow hooks, fog lights, parking sensors up front, LED daytime running lamps. Making our way to the back of the truck, rear tinted privacy windows. This is a crew cab as well. Trail Boss decal on the rear fender. At the back, you have your blacked out bumper with dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, rear parking sensors, LED brake lights, and the easy open close Chevy tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats have in-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost, an extra headroom over top, single pane sunroof, LED lighting, and dual USB ports in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.